Thank you for 25 subscribers. Today we're making a drink with 25 ingredients in it, which means each ingredient represents one of you. So someone gets to be vodka. Someone gets to be Fireball. It
sounds like it's not gonna mix well, but we'll see.
There's nothing to be afraid of because I'm using the golden ratio to make this cocktail. What is that, you may ask?
Oh, what's that?
The golden ratio in cocktails is 2 parts of something strong, so your alcohol, 1 part of something sour, and 1 part of sweet. So theoretically, this should have a balanced flavor between tart and sour and strong. Everything will have a teaspoon. I figured out if I do 25 teaspoons, it should equal about 3 to 4-ish ounces after shaking, which is going to fit into our glass. So why don't we get right into it? You'll need 1 teaspoon each of vodka, Jamaican rum, Fireball, dark Jamaican rum. Is that a good clip that? Ancho Reyes, orange Curaçao, Jack Daniels, Gold Rum, London Dry Gin, White Rum, Jose Cuervo, Jameson.
Someone out there that's like, "Puh, you're mixing Jameson with Jose Cuervo? Preposterous."
Yeah, I know. Lemon juice. Oh. Lime juice. Acid-adjusted orange juice. Acid-adjusted pineapple juice. Acid-adjusted apple juice. Acid-adjusted grapefruit juice. 0 sugar grenadine. 0 sugar vanilla syrup. Keto cream of coconut. Keto orgeat. Sugar-free simple syrup. It's starting to layer. It's like lighter down here.
Separation.
Allulose passion fruit syrup. And 1-to-1 honey syrup.
You always forget the ice, bro.
Who needs ice in their cocktails? Add ice to your shaker. And shake for 10 seconds. Until it's frosty. Gonna grab a martini glass because it's fancy, because we hit 25 subscribers. I was thinking about naming it 25 and counting. I don't know about all that.
Kind of looks like passion fruity.
It does. Let's see. This is gonna be my thing for you guys to comment. Do you think all the flavors will kind of just negate? Do you think you'll be able to pick out certain parts? Or do you think it's gonna be like a more than the sum of its parts situation where it actually creates some kind of interesting flavor?
My bet is it's probably gonna negate.
Here goes nothing. Trying out 25 and counting. I mean, like, it tastes like a candy. It kind of just tastes like if you ate a bunch of Skittles all at once. So the only spirits that come out are the aged ones. I am getting some of that wood kind of thing, which, I mean, makes sense. The non-aged ones offer less flavor just by their nature. Wife, here you go.
Kind of just looks like orange juice.
Yeah, it's kind of like peachy.
In real life, though, it has more of a pinky hue. You can kind of see it like right here, the little pink rim.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It definitely smells sweet. It smells like a fruit. It has like a guava kind of smell to it. Guava, coconut smell. I don't catch any spirits from scent.
It doesn't taste hot at all. She's going in for the sip.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I would be interested for you to tell me which of the ingredients come out the most to you.
The weird thing is that they come and go.
Well, that's what's called evolution in a drink. When
Really?
you're sipping on something and the longer it stays on your tongue, like you notice different flavors. So this drink evolves, dude. This thing has evolution for days.
Like at first it was very coconut forward. What I notice is I can't taste the alcohol, but I can feel like
there's a burn afterwards.
Yeah, a little bit, but it's like so faint.
So you said coconut and this tropical fruit kind of thing.
Yeah. Like I just now got like the tiniest wisp of apple.
Apple's like struggling to survive in there.
Like it does have a little kick to it, like spicy.
Okay.
Like I feel a little prickle on
like
my...
the ever slightest amount.
Yeah, and I feel it like going down.
Mm-hmm.
So there is that little spice, but I'm not mad at it. It's kind of like the mixture of eating Skittles, but also I feel like I'm imagining like a spicy candy that like kind of prickles, but it's not, it like quickly turns into sweet.
I would say it's sweeter than it is tart. Since there's 25 ingredients, I couldn't do an exact 2-1-1 ratio. So I chose to go a little extra sweet, then a little extra sour. I figured it would need some sweetness. So there's 1 extra teaspoon of sweetener in there.
It's definitely very interesting. It would perplex a lot of people.
It's the most complex thing I've tasted in my life, dude. I've never experienced that many flavors at once. There's definitely clashing flavors in there. So I would say it's like a 5 out of 10. Would you disagree? Would you say it's higher than that?
It's not a bad drink. Some people like complex flavors.
I need like 2 flavors
like,
at max.
He's like, I need salt and pepper, period.
Yeah, the salt is a flavor.
Salt is
too
a
much,
flavor.
too much.
Right? No.
If you had to compare it to like a flavor that you've experienced before, like really pin it down, like drinking it, what does it remind you of most?
Probably be a smoothie of the tropical fruit variety.
Mm-hmm.
It has like a certain quality back of the throat feel that reminds me of that smoothie texture. The thing that throws me off the most is like the spicy quality. I really do think that the tropical fruits like the guava and the mango and that's the other thing. Guava, mango, and pineapple are such strong flavors.
Yeah.
That I think that's really what's carrying, and that's probably why I don't hate it. Because if we had like tomato juice down the drain, bro.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't trying to just pick like a random liquid off the shelf. Like I wanted it to be all ingredients you could find in a drink.
Honestly, I would order that.
You would order this? All right, so
honestly, if I knew what that was, if I knew what that thing was,
what it took to make it.
What it took to make it, I would expect it to be like freaking $25.
Yeah, just for the labor.
Just for the labor.
Yeah.
It took you 10 minutes to make that.
Well, no. If a bar was going to serve this, they would batch it for sure.
Yeah.
There's no way they would have a guy do
strenuously having to measure out 25
teaspoons. Yeah.
Teaspoons. That's ridiculous. Like, I'm sure you could probably cut out. There's probably a lot of fat in there that you could cut out, and you'd probably get the same quality.
Yeah. Which I'm happy you said it, because while you've been talking, I've also been scheming. I want to try to make a pared down version of this that gets to the point of what we've experienced. So far we said it's very tropical fruit. You said you got the coconut note coming out, right?
Maybe Jamaican rum?
I do taste the wood notes of the rums and the whiskeys, but I mean, we're going into tropical things, so we're just gonna use rums. We're gonna do a light rum, so it doesn't add too much of that complexity. Jamaican rum, so it does have some of that barrel-aged flavor. I'm going to do, I think my only citrus is gonna be the acid-adjusted pineapple. I think the pineapple is important in there. And then I think I'm gonna split the sweeteners between passion fruit and the coconut.
So yeah, those are like the strongest flavors that I'm catching on to.
So what about that housing market, huh?
Terrible.
I need to get mad to get these out. We formulated what we think will work, so this is on the spot. I don't know if it's gonna be perfect, whatever. We are going to start with 1 ounce of Appleton Estate Signature Jamaican Rum, 1 ounce of Bacardí White, 1 ounce of acid-adjusted pineapple juice, half an ounce of cream of coconut, and half an ounce of passion fruit syrup. Did I put away the ice, bro? There we go. There's a leaf in my coop. What about this? And then shake for 10 seconds. Okay. Now double strain to your glass. We're using a coupe this time. We got the OG. You also want just like a hair of red food coloring. Just a little dribble drabble. Let's shake that again for a couple seconds just to combine it. Grandine is optional if you want to get it a little bit closer to the peachy thing. Do you want to taste this one again?
Okay. It's in my more short-term memory.
This is maybe the 25 and counting.
It's not the same, but I do recognize the funkiness of the
Jamaican
rum.
rum, yeah.
That's definitely the stronger of the flavors.
I think maybe it could have been 1.5 ounces and then half an ounce to just dial it back.
It doesn't have as much warmth.
No, then what we're gonna do is be like, you know, it needs the chili liqueur. It's just not quite right. We need to just like build it all again.
Yeah. No, I think for what it's worth, this is a very nice drink.
Which one do you prefer?
Low key, I like the 25.
The original?
The original.
The original.
But I like complex flavors. After coming back, it smells like cinnamony.
Fireball.
I like it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, the nose is very cinnamon with that one. What's the nose on this one mostly?
And I can taste the cinnamon almost.
Like indistinct fruit. It needs a little fireball.
But yeah, taste the 25 again.
Okay, 25. But I feel like I can only taste it now because I can smell it. I want you to do one more exercise. I want you to pretend like you didn't know what was in it at all. What does it taste like?
It kind of tastes like if I was eating Starburst and then also ate cinnamon gum.
Okay, that's the final note. Candy and cinnamon.
I like the 25.
Is it worth the effort? No, obviously.
I think it's worth the
Are you kidding me?
I do.
You would make this again?
I would request it and you would be like, oh, God.
Then I feel like we should do an addendum to this and like later on do some more testing and see how close we can get to it with the least ingredients.
I don't know. It doesn't matter. what I like about it, this feels like the uglier sister. This is like...
You actually prefer this one.
I actually do. I like it a lot. It's so complex and mysterious, and it makes me want to keep drinking it so I can keep finding out more.
Yeah, it's like scavenger hunt or something. Like
a scavenger hunt. Or I'm just like meeting a person that's very intriguing. Like they have such a life. They've lived many lives. It's had multiple journeys and eras and arcs.
If you have all 25 of those ingredients, I guess you could try this if you wanted to.
I would like to challenge somebody who's been doing it for some time to do it. I want to see what another person thinks. Like
someone to literally put in all the ingredients?
Yeah. I'm sure there's somebody out there that has the stuff.
Yeah.
They're like, you know, bigger than us, and they can I want to see somebody like that do it.
Let's see Anders Ericsson. I'm tagging Anders in the comments. Make this.
Make this drink.
Or the Educated Barfly, he has like a ton of stuff. Like imagine this like 3 times longer than that, and it's just bottles of alcohol.
Homie has it. Yeah. Make it.
Leandro, Anders, make this. I dare you. You're too scared. You won't do it.
Oh my God, no.
Okay. Anyway, thank you for joining us. If you liked this video, you might like this one here. And you could also subscribe, that'd be cool. And as always, giving her the one she likes better because she is my wife. Salud.
Blink.